This video serves as a general-purpose guideline for how to safely uncrate and place the Oasis FSI and FSE models. The serial label is located on the ceiling of the unit. To begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools, including safety gloves, level, pry bar, channel lock, utility knife, impact driver, and number 3 Phillips bits. First, remove the top 2 end pieces from the wooden crate using a crowbar. Then, remove the top 2 middle pieces. Work your way around the unit to remove the remaining pieces of the crate. Remove the plastic wrap from the unit. The case will ship with the lower panels attached. Remove the lower panels by lifting up and off the case. Place the panels in an area away from foot traffic. Remove all 4 metal shipping brackets located at each corner of the case using a number 3 Phillips bit. Keep the screws from the shipping brackets for securing the ramp in the next step. Double check that the casters are locked by pressing down on the locking tab. Use the pry bar to lift the corner of the unit and relieve pressure from the integrated leveler. Turn it counterclockwise to retract it fully. Repeat on the remaining corners. Locate the cardboard ramps that ship with the case. On the exhaust side of the case, place the cardboard lip on the top edge of the pallet and make sure they are aligned at the center of the casters on the unit. Using the screws from the shipping brackets, screw the ramp in place in at least 2 locations per ramp lip. Make sure the power cord is tucked away and that there are no obstructions around the unit. Unlock the casters by firmly pressing down the off section of each locking tab. The case is now ready to be removed from the skid. This step requires a minimum of 2 people and must be completed at the exhaust side of the case, which is the side opposite of the condensing coil. Never attempt to roll the case off the short sides of the pallet. Slowly and carefully begin rolling the case down the ramps. Stop midway down the ramps to check that the casters are still at the center of the ramps. If not, adjust the ramps accordingly. Continue to slowly roll the case all the way down the ramps to the floor. All tape and packaging can be removed from the unit and discarded along with the skid, cardboard ramps, and metal shipping brackets at this time. Due to the weight of the case, we recommend that 2 people move the case to the desired location. Place the casters into the lock position once in place. Consider the 5, 10, 15 rule when deciding where to place the equipment. Stay 5 feet away from exterior windows, 10 feet from HVAC vents, and 15 feet away from exterior doors. Ensure no air is blowing directly into the unit. Lower all 4 levelers to the floor until they are supporting the full weight of the case. To check if the ends of the unit are level, place a level on the condensing package pan and adjust the levelers as needed. Next, place the level on the front base frame to check if the sides of the case are level. Adjust the levelers accordingly, then repeat this step on the opposite base frame. Finally, recheck all 3 areas to confirm the case is fully level. The bubble on the level should be centered. Verify that the 2 main power switches and the LED light switch are turned on. The light switch is located on the ceiling of the unit next to the serial label. You can now replace the panels. First, attach the front and rear panels to the case using the upper hook and lower magnet. The oval end panels can be attached next. They must align with the front and rear end panels. Structural concepts, delivering fresh, always.